These are some questions solved by the matrix multiplication method. In the first one question, A is given and find the A square. Matrix multiplication is also discussed in the previous one lecture by the property method in the matrix multiplication. Now we solve in here. If this is the most important topic of matrix multiplication. If A is given the matrix is this, then find the A square. Clear everyone? Now solve. Find A square. Now A square. Note down. A square is equal to A into A is equal to, note down the value of A, matrix A, and again note down the value of A. First we put the value of A in the A square, the matrix A is given. What is the procedure of find the multiplication of two matrices is already discussed in the previous one lecture. What is the procedure? The main procedure is this: the number of column, the first point is this, the number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of row in second matrix. It is clear everyone? Number of column in first matrix, suppose the matrix A and both are similar matrices, the number of column in the first matrix is, number of column is 3. You check it, 3 column. And you check it, the number of row in second matrix is also 3. The number of column and number of row is equal in both the matrix. Yes, is equal. The multiplication is possible. First we check out the multiplication is possible or not possible. In the other means the multiplication is exist or not exist. Yes, multiplication is exist. Now we multiply both the matrices. What is the procedure to multiply? The procedure is this: the row is multiplied by the column, one by one each column. If we take first row of first matrix, then multiply one by one each column. If the number of column, how many column in the second matrix? 3 column. Then first row multiply one by one 3 column of the matrix. Then we achieve the first row element of new matrix. What is the achieve? First row element of new matrix. Suppose if you first row multiply first column, then we get first row first column value. If we get the first row multiply the second column, then we get first row second column element. If we first row multiply third column of the second matrix, then we get first row third column element. It is clear? If we take first row multiply to the different column, then we get first row element. If we get second row element multiply different column, then we get second row element. It is clear? Now we multiply one by one each column. You see that in next step. Is equal to first we note down the matrix. So what is the procedure? The procedure is this: we take first row. This is the first row. First row multiply by first column. First row multiply by the first column. Then we get, okay? Then we get first row first element. This clear? Multiply 1, multiply 1. This is the next element of the first row is -1. add minus 1 minus 1 multiply by the corresponding second element of the first column is 2 multiply by 2, then throughout each element add in first row first column after multiplication, then with the last element of the first row is 1 multiply the corresponding element of the first column in the second matrix is also 1, then 1 multiply by 1. The first row first column multiplication is complete. This is the single element. This is a single one element of the first row. Now we come first row multiply the second column of the matrix, then we get the first row second element. Now we come of second column. Row is first, column is second, then we get second element of the first row. It is clear everyone? See carefully, and the multiplication also see carefully. First element is 1. The multiply of the second column first element is minus 1. Multiply both of them. 1 multiply minus 1. Throughout each element after multiplication by add. So first element, second element is minus 1 minus minus 1. Second column second element is also minus 1 multiply by minus 1. Second row second column element is multiply, then we find the plus sign. So the plus sign, and the last first row last element is 1 and second row last element is 0, then 1 multiply by 0. Second rows first row second column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the third column. Row is first and column is changed, then we get the first row third element. The first element of the first row is 1 multiply the third row first element is 0 1, then 1 is multiplied by 1. First row second element is minus 1 and the third column second element is 0 multiplied by 0. First row third element is 1 in the third column last element is 0, the 1 multiplied by 0. The first row and third column multiplication is complete. No more all column. Then we come to the second row. First row multiplication is complete, one by one each column. After then we come in the second row. It is clear? First row multiplication by each column is complete. Now we come in the second row. Then we get second row element. It is clear? Now we come to the second row. Then we get the second row element. If the second row first element is 2 and the first column element is 1, 2 multiplied by 1. After then plus second row second element is minus 1 into first column second element is 2 multiplied by 2 plus sign. Now the second row third element is 0 multiply first column third element is 1, 0 multiplied by 1. So 2 is multiplied by 1, minus 1 is multiplied by 2 and 0 is multiplied by 1. After then the adding we get the second row first element. Now we come in the second column. Second column, the second row first element is 2 multiply by minus 1, the plus sign. Second row second element is minus 1 into the second column, second element is also -1 plus second row last element is 0. The second column last element is also 0, 0 multiplied by 0. The second row, second column multiplication is complete. This is the second row, second element. It is clear. 2 multiply -1, -1 multiply -1, 0 multiply by 0. Now we come in the last column, then we get last element of the second row. 2 is multiplied by 1. 2 is multiplied by 1 plus 2 -1. -1 is multiplied by 0. 0 is multiplied 0. Then we get the 2 is multiplied by 1. -1 is multiplied by 0. 0 is multiplied by 0. Now the second row multiply by each column, then we get receive all the element of second row. Now we come in the last row element. Now we come in the last row element. Last row element. Last row, third row, first element is 1 multiplied by the first column, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus last row second element is 0 multiplied by first column element, second element is 2, so 0 multiplied by 2 plus last row third element is 0 multiply by the first column last element is 1 multiply by 1. The third row first column multiplication is complete. This is the third row first element, 1 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 1. It is clear, everyone? Now the last row, third row multiplied by the second column element, then we get the second element of the last row. 1 multiplied by -1 plus 0 multiplied by -1 plus 0 multiplied by 0. So last row multiply by the each column 1 by 1, 1 multiplied by -1, 0 multiplied by -1, 0 multiplied by 0. The last row second column multiplication complete, then we get the last row second element. Now we come in the last column of this matrix. This is the last element of this matrix. 1 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 0 plus 0 multiplied by 0. Then the last row multiplication is complete. This is the multiplication is complete by 1 each column of two matrices. Then we solve in the next step. Note down in the next step and simplify it. Now multiply 1 by 1. 1 by 1 we get 1. Note down 1 in the same position. -1 multiplied by 2. Then answer is -2. Answer is -2. Note down in the same position. 1 multiplied by 1, then we get 1 in the same position. Minus 1 into 1 into minus 1, then we get minus 1, note down the same position. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, note down 1 in the same position. 1 into 0, 0, note down 0 in the same position. 1 into 1, 1, note down the same position. Minus 1 into 0, 0, note down 0 in the same position. 1 into 0, 0, note down the same position. 2 into 1, 2, note down the same position. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, note down the same position. 0 into 1, 0, note down the same position. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, note down the same position. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, note down the same position. 0 into 0, 0, note down the same position. 2 into 1, 2, note down the same position. Minus 1 into 0, 0, in the note down the same position. 0 into 0, note down 0 in the same position. 1 into 1, 1, note down the same position. 0 into 2, 0 in the same position. 0 into 1, 0 into 1, 0 in the note down the same position. 1 into minus 1, note down the same position. 0 into minus 1, 0 in the note down the same position. 0 into 0 in the note down the same position. 1 into 1, 1, note down the same position. 0 into 0, note down the same position. 0 into 0, note down the same position. So multiplication is complete now. Solve in the next step the similar matrix. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, note down 0 in the same position. 1 minus 1 plus 1, 0, note down the same position, 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, note down the same position. 2 minus 2, note down 0 in the same position. Note down 0 in the same position. 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, note down the same position. 2 plus 0, 2, note down the same position. 1 plus 0, 1, note down the same position. Minus 1 plus 0 plus 0, minus 1, note down the same position. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, note down the same position. This is the multiplication. This is the multiplication. Minus 1. This is the value of a square. This is the value of a square. Clear, everyone? So first we multiply the number of column equal to number of row, and it is equal, then multiply one by one each column, then we get the multiplication of each column by the each row. After then the addition and subtraction, we get the value of a square. It is clear everyone? Okay student.